Rob?
All right, Laura, we're keeping it on the roads this morning. Car care is essential to keeping down the cost of repairs and keeping you safe while you're on the roads. That's why we wanted to give you a checklist of the top 5 things you should regularly be checking on your car or truck.
Now, this list is especially good to know for college kids who may be driving that car far from home. Brightside's Jenny Dean talked to the owner of Milex of Mr. Transmission in Bradenton to break down this important information.
First and foremost is safety. They want to make sure that their tires are good, all their lights are good, their wipers are good, and their brakes are good. Okay, we can start with tires. Tires is the easiest thing. First thing you want to do is you want to check the tire pressure. So what you do is you just take your cap off, you insert it on top, hold it down for 1 second, pull it up, and it'll give you your tire pressure. This is called the Abe Lincoln Test. You take a penny, you turn the head upside down, and then you want to stick it into the tread. If you can see the very top of Lincoln's head, then that means your tire tread is about 230 seconds. That means your tires are about ready to be changed. This is a new wiper blade. You'll see the blade is nice and firm, flexible, but yet the edge is nice and firm. This is a good blade. This is a bad blade. When you start seeing the edges of your blades starting to come apart on either ends or in the center, that's when you know it's time to replace your blades. We're looking for any bulbs that might be out.
Okay.
You've got marker lights, you've got turn signals, you've got headlights, and you have brake lights. At this point, what you want to have is you want to have somebody stand behind the vehicle and have somebody get inside of the vehicle and step on the brake pedal.
Okay.
Because you want to make sure that both your brake lights are working, and if you have a high mount brake light, make sure that is working as well. The braking system is one of the most vital components of your car.
Okay.
It stops you from getting into accidents. So, when you're driving the vehicle, if you feel any weird pulsations, any squealing noises, any vibrations, or any pulls when you step on that brake pedal, you have an issue that needs to be addressed.
Now, he says you can also take your car to any Milex Mr. Transmission location for a free